Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to knit this very easy butterfly. So let's get started. I'm working with 6mm knitting needles and worsted weight yarn. Cast on 40 stitches. Okay, I have cast on 40 stitches and now I'm going to cast off each stitch. So first I'm going to knit the stitch, knit the next stitch, pull the previous stitch over and off the needle, knit the next stitch, pull the previous stitch over and off the needle. You're going to repeat all the way across the row. Like that, casting off each stitch after it's worked. Okay, I've cast off all the way across the row. I have one more stitch to cast off, so knit the next stitch, cast off this last stitch, pull up a loop, cut the yarn, and pull it through the loop. So leave a long yarn end. Now I'm going to pull it to open up the stitches, thread the yarn end into a needle. Now we're going to count 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pass the needle through the 8th stitch. And then pull this over. Then take one stitch right through, like that. Count 8 more stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take one more stitch to secure it. Count 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And take one stitch to secure it. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. You have 2 loops of 8, 1 loop of 12. Now bring this last section over into the center and take one stitch to secure it. Like that. So these are the 2 bottom wings and the 2 top wings. So now you can just go around and around with your yarn and weave the yarn end into the finished work. And I'm going to tie the 2 yarn ends together on the back, trim off the extra, and I have a strand of black yarn. I'm going to fold it in half, wrap it around the body, bring the loop up to the top, and pull the 2 ends through the loop and trim. And there you have an easy knitted butterfly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.